Okay, this is a tour of the Polynesian. This is a DVC room here. Right there's a room that'll extend into another room if you were to go with more bedrooms. This is your bathroom here with a shower. Here's a toilet. Inside the shower, they do have a shampoo, conditioner, and body wash that they supply. Spacious toilet area. Over here, they have facial soap and body lotion. A nice mirror to get ready on. There's some of the theming and decorations. All right, coming over here. A safe and a luggage rack. Basket, extra pillows and blankets. And here's the other thing that's real nice about this is yet another shower. So there's two showers here. This is a walk-in shower. Another sink, which makes it nice whenever maybe a couple different people are getting ready at the same time. And there's your magnifying mirror, hair dryer there. Plenty of towels. Okay, over here to this side, you have a mini fridge, a sink. You got a toaster, coffee pot, microwave oven up there. And upon opening this, a couple waste baskets. Here they have some plastic and foam cups, foam plates, and paper towels. And nothing up there. Okay, now here is the sleeping quarters. Queen size bed. Phone on one side, plug-ins for your devices right there. Another spot over here to plug in your devices. Two light switches there. That couch folds down from here. So you pull down these handles here and it pulls down and there's another bed there. So you have this bed, then underneath the TV, which is about a 50-inch TV, looks like a 55-inch actually, Samsung TV, but you can take and pull this thing down here and it's another bed. So you have 3 different beds to choose from in here if you have multiple people staying in here. Here's a little desk area. One of the newer things that Disney has added is kind of like an Alexa device, but it's a Disney device, so it looks like that. I think you activate it by saying, "Hey Disney." Maybe not. I don't know. I haven't looked into that too much. But there's some seating. Let's see what we have going on the outside here. All right, a couple guys working out here, but beautiful view. Nice spacious back patio area, 2 chairs, greenery, and a look at the bungalows that are out there. And then, oh wow, let's see if I can open up this. Always 2 locks on these things. I always have trouble unlocking these things. You gotta use some force to open that. Okay, off here in the distance, take a look here. You see the castle, Cinderella's castle off into the distance there. So that means we'll be able to see the fireworks right here. All right, and then over here you can see very pretty view from this stay here. Right there is some white sand. Over here we have some where people dock on boats to load up to go over to the Magic Kingdom. And in case you didn't know, the monorail does run from the Polynesian to the Magic Kingdom. But all right, this is a look at this room here, a room tour. Hopefully this video was helpful in helping you decide if this is the room that you want to stay in. If it is, go ahead and click a thumbs up on this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.